Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the quick steps to verify your identity when logging into your N26 account. Whether you're using a new device or N26 needs additional confirmation, the process is simple and secure. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the N26 app. Launch the official N26 app on your smartphone. If you're using a new phone, make sure you're downloading the real app from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Enter your login details. Type in the email address and password linked to your N26 account. If your identity needs verification, the app will automatically guide you to the next steps. Step 3. Verify your device. N26 may send a push notification to your previously trusted device. Just tap Approve to confirm it's you. If you no longer have access to the old device, choose the I don't have my device option to continue. Step 4. Complete identity check. N26 may ask you for one of the following: a 6-digit login code sent via SMS, a quick selfie video for liveness verification, or a photo of your passport or ID. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide clear images if required. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Once you submit everything, N26 will verify your identity within a few moments. After approval, you'll regain full access to your account. For more helpful mobile banking guides, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.